Nike Air Force 1 has remained a timeless icon since its 1982 debut, constantly evolving through new materials, collaborations, and styles. The upcoming Medium Ash edition marks a bold departure from the classic clean aesthetic, embracing a rugged, high-fashion-inspired design. Featuring a fully pre-distressed suede upper, the pair emphasizes a worn-in look, with thick rope laces and oxidized hardware adding a brutalist edge. A standout detail is the screwed-on swoosh and bolted tongue tag, reinforcing the shoe's raw, deconstructed vibe. Rather than the usual polished AF1 style, this version leans into an anti-minimalist approach, drawing comparisons to avant-garde runway designs from brands like Balenciaga and Rick Owens. The aged look continues below with a weathered sole unit, complete with faded black overlays and textured wear patterns. Although there's no official release date yet for the Nike Air Force 1 Low Medium Ash, updates will be shared on the Nike release dates page.